Hello, I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing wonderful. I hope you're discoing. This is both a market brief and gold brief, and I'm only going to discuss GDX when it comes to precious metals. And every opinion here is purely technical. Beautiful. That's how I roll. All right. This is the VIX moving averages only. The 10-day moving average in the black, 50 in the red. This is the 20 and the 200. Please, before I start, like if you like, share, subscribe. Okay? Capisce? Okay, good. So now you know the color of the moving averages. This convergence happened 3 times in the last 15 years, where the moving averages converge close to each other, then boom. And this is the third time now, okay? And by tomorrow, it will be the first time you have a bullish formation in this moving average since September. And we know what happened in September, okay? So, what is the percentage of a bullish formation tomorrow? 100%. 100% we will have a bullish formation in the VIX by tomorrow. Good? Beautiful. So it'll only happen 2 times in the past. This is the third time, and I suspect is gonna explode to the upside. Good deal. So I talked about this finding, important finding. Good deal. So this is 2 charts in one. The first one is the VIX 50 and 200-day moving averages only, and below it is the Dow Industrial. And every time you have this bullish crossover or the golden cross, something bad happens to the Dow. Okay? When was the last time this happened? Whoa. Que cosa? Right here. Oh! Before that, oh! So good deal. So this is a real sell signal. Okay, let me put the SPIX so you can see it affects everything. Okay. Oh, I should have put this. No, 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 no. All right, good stuff. Same is true. Same is true. Same is true. Okay. Yes, sir. 100%. So what does that mean? That means volatility will go up in the like a month to 2 month duration. And when volatility go up, the price get distracted in the Dow Industrial and the S&P. Good stuff. So this is the USD DXY, and we're definitely in a breakout mode, and we are forming a bull flag, which indicates, a liquidation mode coming up soon. So this will affect everything: precious metals, equity, everything. I don't think this one is working. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Okay, let me do the Olova. Okay, good. So, okay. A bull flag. All right. Good stuff. Good stuff. Okay. So I suspect we're gonna take out this high back in October. Okay. And this will mean higher yields and lower prices and everything. Okay. Good. Good. And this is the moving averages only for the USD DXY. Okay. And this is only the 50 in the red, the 200 in the green. Whenever we have a golden cross, most of the time, with few exceptions, we have a liquidation mode. When we have a liquidation mode, everything goes down. Okay? What's the percentage? Yes. Very high, extremely high, very few exceptions. This one was the exception, but after that we went to meltdown mode. no exception, no exception, no exception, a little bit, no exception, and always, always price destruction. Okay? Liquidation mode. So I talked about the golden cross in the USD and its effect on everything. All right, let me put GDX just for the fun of it to see how accurate it is with GDX. With few exceptions, the same thing. Few exceptions. See what happened to GDX here, and here, and here, and here. Okay, you get the picture. You get the picture. I want to go get the papers. Get the papers. Okay, good. So golden cross in the USD, bullishness, bull flag in USD. Now let's talk about this. The price action. This is the Dow Industrial. The price action is really at seller's zone, where you have a resistance at the highest trading volume since this year, started this year. Okay, so you have a lot of sellers here, according to the volume by price, and also according to the 20-day moving average, and also the Fibonacci retracements. We are definitely at resistance in the Dow Industrial. Good deal. Okay, this is the sell signal in the weekly time frame I talked about some times ago, and it is always accurate and affected everything. Affected GDX, it affected gold, it affected the Dow Industrial, it affected the USD, it affected the JPY USD, it affected the 30-year yield, and you could see that right here. It's good for the dollar, good for the USD JPY, good for the see how it is? See how accurate it is? Sometimes we oversee very important studies, and you could always play with the charts and back test things. And this is my own stuff, by the way. I call this the disco love. Okay, so this is the disco love signal. All right, so I talked about this sell signal right here, and now GDX. Let's talk about GDX. And a lot of people get emotional when I talk about gold, especially when I'm bearish. And definitely, I'm extremely bearish on GDX, and a meltdown is in progress. And I'm 100% sure. I really am. Okay? Good. So what happened here, we had a blow-off top with a blow-off volume right here. At the same time, we have a bearish engulfing. We engulfed this candle right here, all of it. Okay? And look at the trading volume. Oh, Madonna mia. What if you're bullish on GDX, what are you thinking? I really am serious. What are you thinking now? What do you think? I want to know what are you thinking. Oh, Madonna mia. Oh, my God, have mercy. Okay? So, blow off top. Like 2 years. 2 years high. And, and a bear trap. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. What? Oh, and you're still bullish? Oh, my God, have mercy. So blow off top with a blow off volume and bearish engulfing. And look at the trading volume. All distribution. Look at the trading volume for the last 2 up days. Okay, this is a beautiful bullish engulfing, but look at the volume. My God, have mercy. Oh my God, help us. Can you see this? This is not buying. This is distribution. I can't believe we're still holding this. Oh my God, have mercy. Good, so I talked about the GDX itself right here. And I'm extremely bearish. This is 2 charts in one. Okay, this is the GDXJ ratio. Ratios, this is the MACD for the GDX ratio. Every time you have a bullish MACD in this ratio, a price destruction takes place in GDX. Okay? 100%, and some of them are really bad. Okay? So what do you need to be bullish on GDX? Usually you need a bearish crossover. Not in this case. Okay? So you need a bearish crossover, okay? Like you had here, okay? This is not the best signal usually, but this tells you the movement, the day-to-day movements. So you need a bearish crossover in the GDX, GDXJ MACD, okay? So I definitely am bearish on GDX now. And also another thing, you really do need a bearish crossover in the GLD GDX ratio. This is part of my system. If I want to go long on GDX, this ratio has to be in a bearish mode. It's MACD, always in bearish mode, okay? If it's in bullish mode, look at this stuff. This was more accurate than the GDX ratio. Look at this stuff. And before that, get the picture? You're gonna get the papers, See? It's that one is not really my favorite, but this one is. Okay? Okay? I never, ever buy GDX when this ratio is in bullish mode. Never. Always in bearish mode. Capiche? See that? This is sometimes it gives you false signals. Actually, no. This one gave me a good signal. See? And this one gave me false signal. I remember that one. Okay, so let's look for. Okay, see how beautiful it is. And if you use this signal, most of the time you're gonna make money. And if you only get long on GDX, whenever this ratio in bullish and bearish mode, you most likely gonna make money. Okay, so that is why I'm extremely bearish on GDX, and I talked about the chart itself, and I talked about this GLD GDX ratio. Okay, never mind the GDX GDX ratios MACD. Okay, but this one's more. All right. So please like if you like, share, subscribe, and do remember, Disco is forever.